drink. Like I said, niggas can't fuck with this.
Hello YouTube, what's going on? I would like to talk about, these horror movies, and people's reactions with them. It's kind of bullshit. These horror movies, these zombies, these corpse, like, people are trying to, like, change the whole meaning of them, you know what I mean? Like, for instance, like, some are fast as fuck, and some are slow as fuck, and it's like... And then, there are the fast ones. I'm not even gonna show you that part. Like, nah, I'm not even supposed to be in here. If I kick a chair, I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm not supposed to be in there. I'm not trying to attract no noise. Nah. Get the fuck out of here. Why are you in here? You're not supposed to be in here, dude. You think I give a fuck? Your dog, you don't get the fuck on by my face! I'm random as fuck. Face!
Oh, wait, I put that clip in the wrong spot. Hold up. I see, I got carried away so fast. It's like, what's I talking about? Zombies? What the fuck am I doing? I am not about to start that shit again. But anyway, it's like, these white people are just like so stupid when it comes to horror movies. Like, the actors like, just fall over every damn thing that they walk over. It's like, get your fucking ass up, man. They fucking be. Hey, stick up!
And of course, us black people don't fall over anything. It's so fucking amazing. Hey, it's a big ass rock. Still walking. Oh, it's a big ass stick. Oh, shit, it's a knife. But once that knife comes in, of course, our ass is dead. Like, it's so scary that, cause like, even if the zombies are really slow, they still manage to just like catch up with you every time. It's like, that's hella scary. Like, for example, right? It's like you can be all the way over here, and the zombies over here, like still slow. You can be sprinting, and they're still slowly walking, and they still manage to like be behind you the whole time, like right on your ass. You know what I mean?
Like, nigga, I wish I could just tell the motherfucker.
Your dog, you don't get the fuck on by my face! But the sad part about it is, they can't fucking understand you. Niggas like...
Hey, what is that noise that I just heard? Is that a moan?
Your ass is dead, nigga.
Oh, that sucks. I should have ran when I had the chance. Oh, man.
Yeah!
Nick,
Face!
Nick,
Face! Face!
These zombies are like so stupid.
Face!